Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll proceed further with the configuration section in order to set up the payment gateways. So currently I'm in the payment gateways section that you need to walk through the configuration tab, then click on the payment gateways section and you will be taken to this tab. So over here, basically you can see we have options to create a payment gateways. So you need to click on the plus icon in order to add new payment gateway. In the type list down, you will find all the payment gateways possible as of now as the standard feature in the WedgeCommerce. So as you can see, we have PayPal, Stripe, offline methods that you can define, call, pay you money, and PayPal Express checkout. So these are the payment methods that we are currently having. So let's proceed further to set up a Stripe payment option. Once you select Stripe, you need to enter the name of the payment gateway, and you can just keep it as it is as per your requirement, and you need to mark it active with the status option. Further, you need to just enter the company name, the company logo. Basically, you need to just enter the ID, the Salesforce ID of this image. So you need to upload the image in the document folder under the Salesforce. Like if you go to in Salesforce, if you go to documents, and in the given folders, you need to just upload the image. Like suppose in the way that I have uploaded one of the image over here. So you need to take this ID and you need to paste it in this payment gateway company logo. Further, you need to proceed further to just enter description if you want, and the mode. Like I'll proceed further with the test credentials and enter the details for the Stripe secret test key and the Stripe publishable test key accordingly, and the default currency that is selected as per your Salesforce or default currency, and you can save it. So let's proceed further to quickly just fill all the details and save it. So as you can see, I have entered the company name and the logo, as I have already entered the ID of that logo and the description part, and also fill the test key credentials for the test mode. So quickly I'll save the settings and it will add the one of the payment gateway like this, and you can see it is active now. You can mark it active, inactive as per your choice. If you want to make any update, you need to click on the edit option over here in order to make changes. In the same way, you can add more payment options as well. So let's proceed to just set up the pay you money. If you select that, in the same way, you need to just enter the further details. I'll proceed with the test. Let's fill the details over here. So as you can see, I have entered the details for the pay you money payment option. Enter the merchant ID, the key, and the salt as well, and you can add the success page and the failure page accordingly, and further you need to click on save. So you can see another payment gateway has been added successfully. In the same way, you can define, let me quickly proceed further to just define one of the offline payment gateways. Like I'll proceed for the cash on delivery. I'll mark it active. Let's put in COD for that and save it. So these are the payment gateways that we have added, and it will get reflected once the customer is processing with the checkout page. Over there, all these payment gateways who are active over here will get reflected. Customer can opt it and proceed with the payment transactions. So hope you can configure the further more as per like for the PayPal and all. So thank you for using WedgeCommerce. In the next video tutorial, you will go through the functionality to enable the multi-currency and multi-language functionality and all under this configuration section. So thank you for watching this video.